This right here is not acceptable. Not at all. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Tosh Mack, and if you haven't already, please hit that red subscribe button. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about how I put my hair together for New Year's Eve, and this little fit that I had put together, had to bring it out for the one time. And so the first thing that I did was I actually co-washed my hair. This is something I do like maybe 1 or 2 times in a month, and then I actually shampoo my hair at the end of the month. This shower comb right here is the best tool that a natural can have, especially when your hair is wet and you have conditioners that have a lot of slip to it. This comb can glide through all types of kinky curly hair with ease. I mean, my arm didn't hurt as bad as it normally does, but hey, I can glide through my hair with a comb and it's wet, no problem. I ain't mad. Don't argue. Can't. No reason to. After rinsing out the conditioner, I then end up doing a protein and hot oil treatment as one. And then I put my hair into twists and I put a plastic bag over my head. Then I take this thermal cap and put it right on top of the plastic bag. Then I sit under a hooded dryer for about 15 minutes. After doing all of that, I then rinse my hair out. I take my spray bottle of aloe vera juice and I spray it all over my head. When I do this, it honestly makes my hair very, very soft, no matter if I blow dry my hair out or not. After spraying all of that aloe vera juice, I then take my t-shirt and I just put it over my hair, squeeze out all the extra water. After I have the t-shirt on for about an hour, I then take my most favorite product in the world before blow drying my hair, and that's Live. Like, gosh, my hair be looking amazing after I blow it out using this product. Like, wow, look at that. It looks so fluffy and soft, and it actually was too. I mean, it's hard to get soft and fluffy hair. I mean, just know. And then after I do all of that, I end up parting my hair. I have to part it half up, half down, because I do the 2 little space buns at the top, and I did a little flat twist in the back. And yeah, I do my best to make my parts as straight as I possibly can, but I end up taking my rat tail comb to do that. After struggling trying to get this part as straight as I possibly can, I then start to section off my hair in like 3 to 4 different sections, and then start getting my sections prepared for my flat twist. And yes, I most definitely use the Mielle Organics pomegranate and honey line, because child, just know, y'all already know how much I love this line already. It hasn't even been out for that long. and I always got good words for it. Like, what's there to be mad about it for? Like, I use the leave-in conditioner, the twisting souffle, my oil mix, and I use my Eco Stylers flaxseed seed and castor oil gel to keep my curls intact and defined and all of that. After all of the flat twists are done, I then take my rat tail comb and I do this little weird method to do everything in my power to get this part as straight as I possibly can, because a crooked part is not okay for me. Moisturize my hair the same way that I did for my flat twist, and I do everything that I possibly can just to slick my ponytails back and, you know, make sure it's moisturized and defined and looking beautiful with all that shine. Okay, so I know the average natural person does not need to be using as much gel as I probably do sometimes. It may not seem like I use a lot, but in order for me to actually have my hair slicked back and looking fine, I'm gonna need to use quite a bit, you know, right before I tie it down with a scarf. I then take my ponytail holder and I just start to wrap it around my hair about 3 times just so it could be secure, and I end up taking it apart just to tighten it up some, and I use a lot more gel. Yes, I sure do. Fight me if you will. And I just take it, you know, just to smooth out my hair. I comb it out, all of that, make sure it's smooth, and I twist it and wrap it around, pin it, and I use my rubber bands, haha, almost forgot what they were called, and just to secure the buns. Secure the buns. So attention to all natural hair people. That means men, women, children, old folk, middle age. It don't matter. Just always remember, keep your edges looking nice. Don't let them look all over the place. You don't have to sit there and play with them, but at least make sure they're combed out. Have a silk or satin scarf to protect your edges in the nighttime. Ooh, don't y'all love that jersey? Don't it look clean? Ooh, it looks so nice. But after taking off this scarf and exposing my edges, I then take my Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil. This oil is one of the best ones to be taking your twists out. Twists, braids, bantu knots, coils, whatever. It keeps the moisture in that you already done put in. It keeps it there. I promise y'all. Try it out yourself and let me know in the comments how you feel, because I promise you it'll work out. But with this right here, I thought my hair was dry, but it was really like, nah, it wasn't. So I went to blow dry my hair out for a couple minutes, and I came back, put the oil on my hands again, Then I started taking it out. It was a bit more dry than before. So, I mean, I was not big on definition that night, but that's fine because I had the fluff. Definitely had the fluff. I had the definition. I had the moisture. I was fine. I had nothing to be mad about. My hair was looking good. I ain't really go nowhere. I chilled with my cousin, but hey, I was cool. After taking out the twist, I take my pick and just bump it out some, you know, give it some volume. Give it a little bit more volume. And no, that was my New Year's Eve look. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up on the social medias. And I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed, beautiful, and golden. Bye.